welcome back to NZ Electronics Repair. So today we got this MacBook Pro and one of its key has popped out. If you're looking to replace a single key, we can also do that, but only if the top case has its latches still retained. But suppose if the touch bar stops working, you will need a new top case for the MacBook. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can replace the top case on a MacBook Pro. Actually, top case replacement is like a quite long job because in this you have to transfer all of the components to the new top case. So you have to take out this battery, this cable, the speakers, the fans, the logic board itself, the screen, charging ports as well. And after removing all the major parts, you have to install them to a new top case, just like this. So if you will see, you have to put the logic board here, the battery to this place, and you pretty much have to disassemble the whole MacBook and you have to put all the parts to the new top case. You will also need to transfer this Touch ID button from this MacBook to this top case, and this one comes with a trackpad installed. So if you are also interested in buying top cases for your MacBook repairs, you can contact us at 0800 585 222. So to fix your keyboard on your MacBook Pro, you just have to transfer all the parts from your old top case to the new one. And if you're also looking for your top case replacement, the best place to visit is NZ Electronics Repair because we can do the job as fast as you can break it.